Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of lip care with the ANAiRUi Lip Care Kit. If you're looking for the best lip scrub for dark lips from smoking, you're in the right place. Let's start by unpacking what makes this lip care kit so special. The ANAiRUi Lip Care Kit is a complete solution for dry, chapped, and even darkened lips, especially for those caused by smoking. This kit includes a lip sugar scrub and an overnight lip treatment sleeping mask. Together, they form a dynamic duo for intensive lip repair. The sugar scrub gently exfoliates dead skin cells, while the lip mask works overnight to revitalize and moisturize your lips. What sets this lip care kit apart is its natural ingredients. Packed with a blend of fruits like strawberry and blueberry, along with vitamin C and honey, this kit provides deep hydration and smoothness to your lips. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness of this product. They've noticed significant improvements in the texture and appearance of their lips, especially after regular use. Not only does this lip care kit exfoliate and moisturize, but it also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and leaves your lips plump and kissable. Plus, it's compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go use. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dry, chapped, and darkened lips, give the ANAiRUi Lip Care Kit a try. It's the best lip scrub for dark lips from smoking, and your lips will thank you for it. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.